Yes!
KFC.
Hello!
Welcome to KFC. How may I take your order? I would like 287,902,820 fatty chicken, 388,596,789 wing chicken, 288,756,974 chicken nuggets, 347,589,675 French potatoes, 288,492,765 large cup of Pepsi, and 389,756,012 ice creams. Whoa, sir, this is so much. Are you sure you will eat all those stuff?
Yes!
I can eat everything, so shut your goddamn mouth and give me what I want. Okay. It costs $100 million. There you go. Okay. Have a nice day. Wow. Look at this, all the foods. It's so much. I'm so genius. I don't care if I will be very fat and what chicken will tell me. Now let's eat.
After all the foods.
Man, I ate all this foods. I can't believe I ate all this foods. I'm so full now. Oh no! Fuck! I did it. I'm so fat. I'm so dead right now. Fuck! Shit!
Oh my fuck, damn son, evil fatty chicken, how freaking dare you throw the spaghetti with meatballs to my face and eat very much food and be fat. I said you when you eat greasy food, makes you very fat, kills you. Look at you, you are very fat already. You look like 400,000 pounds. I don't think you can go to my car, because you are very fat, so I will go to my car, and also you will walk. Come on, fatty. Let's go.
Wah.
10 minutes later. Evil chicken, you are grounded until the Black Friday. Get out of my face, and go to your room, right now.
Wow.